So I have the Rabbit R1 and I'll be showing you how to adjust screen brightness. So what you want to do is wake up the screen in case it's not awake. If the screen is sleeping like this, you want to first of all wake up the screen and then give your R1 a good shake to get into settings. Now inside settings, you should see brightness as the #1 item. And so what you want to do is hold this button as you scroll. So hold it in and then now you should see the brightness animation, and you can use the scroll wheel to increase or reduce the brightness. Okay, like that. So you can increase it all the way to the maximum and then release, and that's going to be that bright. Okay, so again you can hold it and then scroll down to reduce. Just make sure you're holding this button every time you're trying to adjust brightness. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.